Hey guys, how's it going? It's Mr. Cray and welcome back to some more GitWeb development. Get good at GitWeb. I say, get good at GitWeb. I'm just gonna rearrange. I gotta clear out some dishes. I gotta basically wash up a ton of dishes after the live stream. Do CubG. Probably tomorrow. I felt like doing GitWeb. I feel like doing some get good at GitWeb. So, you know, it is what it is. It is what it is. But today we're adding in some more modules, as you guys know. It says it by the title of the live stream. More modules, because I want to take this. Program to the next level. You know, I want to take it to the next level. I want to make it good. So, what my idea was actually kind of, you know, for instance, like the crafting module here, we've got like this title thing, right? But I feel like it should be a separate thing, not a part of this. So what I mean by that is we just simply have some sort of header module, and you can change the size of it, you can align it, so you can either align it left of it, center, or to the right. Yeah, I just think it would be a better idea to do that, because then you can have like a header, then you can have like a paragraph and whatnot. How about a countdown module? It won't really work because you won't be able to dynamically change anything. Unless you do it for your website, but nobody will be able to use it in general. Because you won't be able to change the time. Paginations? What is that again? I don't do a lot of web development, so... Paginate... Oh no, that's the... I know what you mean, yeah, it's the thing at the bottom, yeah, okay. I don't know if it would work really, but we can see. Favicons. Oh yeah, there hasn't been favicons. That might be a cool idea actually. Might be a cool idea. Good cup of Java to start off the day. Yeah, I tried to call you Minecraft dude though. Can you talk after the live stream? Breadcrumbs? Your breadcrumbs. Yeah, I know what breadcrumbs are. They let you know where you came from. You need some Kotlin. You need some Kotlin for that cough. Kotlin sounds like some cough medicine. Sounds like some cough medicine. Yeah, you need some Kotlin, dude. Dude, you got that cough there? Get some Kotlin into you, dude. Alright? Don't spread your germs around, alright? If you're gonna cough into your arm, alright? We'll take some Kotlin. It'll help you out, dude. Alright, header module. So this one's gonna be super duper basic, which is what I kinda like. People are like, why are you doing basic stuff? You should be doing the more difficult stuff. One thing I wanted to do as well is in module here, create a optional, get optional data, because for the actual builder, it's going to be a lot easier if we know all the optional data as well, so I might as well do that. Hashtag GitWeb. Kotlin is a Russian island between Finland and Russia. I was completely off. I'm like, you know, you need some Kotlin. Fix that cough. Can you fix the redirect links? Yeah, I'm gonna fix that up. I'm gonna implement. I'll probably re-implement the system somehow. But I've got some serious talking to do with you, Minecraft Doodler. So that's why I've been trying to VC with you. Because we have some certain things that we need to do and we have some things we need to discuss on that's very important for the future. For the future of GitWeb. For the future. Alrighty, so calculate height. We're gonna say we're actually gonna do this a label. Label. Actually, no, we don't. We'll say if data.has scale we'll say integer dude, I cannot. Oh no, we can do. Sorry, we can do something like this. Data scale. I just keep using. I love this get or default method now. I'm really obsessed with it. Get or default. I know it won't work really well in this instance. Whoops. We'll say return. Return double dot parse scale times laptop font renderer font height plus 10. And then here we're just going to do that. Maybe you could implement a favicon, but it checks that it's an image that's 14 by 14 before loading it. That's potential. That's potential. Because that can easily go into the actual... It can implement into the system already. Like, it doesn't even have to be like... It doesn't even have to be like, defined anywhere. It can literally be in the same directory and you'll be like, yo, there's a favicon here. What? And then here, so that calculates the height. Required data is going to be text. I'm going to change the text module to a paragraph module as well. Tabs. Sorry if you saw this already, my internet has been crap recently. What do you mean like tabs? Like actual tabs in the internet browser so you can have multiple things open? Is that what you're meaning? That can definitely be a thing we add in. We're just going to implement it in a way that's not going to suffer, because we're already using up a lot of space, and the more space we use up, the less view we get of the actual web page. So we're just going to think about it. Suffer. So I'll say label. Label equals new label. La la la. Yeah, maybe. Parse int. We will just keep it like that. Use an integer instead. Data get text left top. So I don't know about the left yet, but we can change that around depending on some properties. Maybe by default we'll actually make it go like width divided by 2. Label dot set alignment, align center, and then we can do like, because that will be the default, and then we can just say if data dot contains key align. We don't actually have a proper way to do this, but oh well. Data get or default align, say center. I've been watching your channel for quite some time now. I was wondering when you're going to release a new update for the device mod. I'm very interested in what you can do. Yeah, the next update's still being worked on. Like, updates don't come out quick because there's a lot to work on, and I can't just release like, you know, broken updates or anything like that and push them out and claim them as like new updates, because people, honestly, like, if I was to release a broken update, people are going to be coming back like, you know, why is this broken? So I'd rather avoid that as much as possible and wait it out. So you can see maybe this update coming out, I don't know, maybe 2 weeks. Minimum would be 2 weeks, but it really depends how much we put into this and get it going. So 2 weeks is minimum, but it might be longer than that. Oh yeah, Cray, how long do you predict the stream will be going to be? Probably minimum 2 hours. Minimum 2 hours. I'll let you know, it might end earlier. Might not. Is that alright or not? Mr. Crayfish weekly recap? What do you mean? Oh yeah, weekly recap. Haven't done them in ages. I kind of the problem with is I don't have the time to make them. They're actually very difficult to post those. Whoa, almost just spilt my whole entire coffee. That would not be good. I need to hire somebody. But trust me, the weekly recaps on Discord are super duper difficult. Like, you don't understand how difficult it is actually to post them. Not only, like, okay, you have to write it right, but the thing is, you want to post it in a time frame where it doesn't come up that it's like posted at a different time. I know it sounds difficult to understand, but so if a line center. Dude, we're doing so much safety checking here right now. Come on, it's lunchtime. Why is there sounds in my house? Why is there sounds in my house? We can actually just get rid of it and just be like that. Align right. It doesn't even, we don't even have to do the else. The only thing why I would like that is really just because it looks clean. Yeah, not really. Alright, just keep the default there and whatever. Whoa! Is haunted confirmed? I don't know. Probably. Maybe embedded sites? Yeah, that can actually already be done. Oh my god, make a different operating systems for the laptop. It's too difficult, dude. Too much effort, too much work. No, not too much effort, but too much work. People add YouTube. Do you know what goes behind adding YouTube as an app? No. You can do it. I know I can do it, but I'm not going to because it's going to be like a whole half a year project just to add a new operating system in. Yeah, I know you think I can, and I can, but again, it's going to be a half a year project to add a new operating system in. Alright, I'll just spend half of my time, half of my year working on a new operating system. And I could be working on much more awesome features that take less time. I'm not adding in different operating systems. Just FYI to anybody. If you don't like it, you can go and make your own mod. Alright, so set the alignment. The thing is, we need to change the actual position of it. So we say label dot left equals 5. And here's the label dot left equals. We need to get the scale. Int scale equals. Let's say int scale equals 1 if data dot contains key scale. Oops. Scale equals integer dot parse int. Oops. What are we going here? Do you want to continue talking about anything else in regards to suggestions for the builder after stream? I gotta get a call with Minecraft Doodlet, but maybe after it. Maybe, we'll see. Label.set scale. Scale. And here we can say left.scale. We have to say laptop get laptop.font renderer get string width. I don't have a get text method, that's kind of weird. Data.get text. Get string width times scale. It'd be width, take 5, take that. There we go. And then we say layout dot add component label. Ka-ching. Finally. Finally! No, I don't hate you, Team Sabatron. I'm just rejecting your idea. Two different things. What are you making exactly? We are working on new modules for GitWeb. So GitWeb is an upcoming web browser for the device mod, and it's going to be awesome. It's going to be awesome. And basically, for people to actually develop websites, we need to create what is known as modules, because they allow you to actually provide content to the web page in cool ways. So there we go, header module. That's nice. Let's go to the GitWeb frame. Put in header. We might actually put this as, like, you know, at the top. I feel like it's a pretty important one. Header module. Let's also test this out, because what we can do now is, let's get rid of that. Fine, make a boot menu. I'll eventually come. That was the plan already. Alright. Launch this sucker up. Hey, how are you? I have a few questions. Is your mod, like the vehicle mod, open source? And is the vehicle mod working on server now? Because it wasn't. Yes, it is working on servers, and yes, it is open source. You can find it on my GitHub. You can find it on GitWeb. Oh, sorry. You can find it on GitHub. Just be aware of licenses. I don't think I've actually specified a license explicitly for it, but the license is GPL 3.0, I think. Well, that's what I want it to be. Yeah, I haven't explicitly set a license, but I will get one. Can you name the OS Mr. Crayfish OS, please? I don't know. I don't know. We're still deciding what it's actually going to be called. We might have to do another poll. I know it was like Pixel OS, but then somebody's like, that's in another mod. So we can't really do that. Alright, so we can go to GitWeb Builder, right? So this is a brand new version of GitWeb Builder, my dudes. Brand new version of it. So if we go new site here, we can actually test this out straight away. So it could be like, header text equals what up, pimps? We could also add in some formatting, which is nice. What up, pimps? And go to live there. Hey, that's pretty cool. So you can just quickly switch to live view and it actually works straight off the bat. We can go align, maybe left. Works perfectly. Oh, what up, pimps? That didn't work. Why didn't that work? Oh, I know why. Sorry. We don't even need that. We just need to do this. Width take 5. There we go. Keel. What up, pips? Chronix OS 1. What the heck? What should we name the actual operating system, guys? Post your ideas right now in the chat. While you're probably the best mod creator, also is the Floss Dance released? Not yet. I should release it though. Can you make a desktop? I'd really like a desktop, please. Maybe. Stashed OS. That's not a bad idea. Stashed OS. What up, pips? Alrighty, so we could do some other stuff like text. This is my epic website. Haters gone. Hate, mate. Let's also align this to left. Hey, that's pretty cool. Das is pretty cool. An OS usually in real life does not allow the ability to rename it. I'm just gonna say that right now. Bland OS, Pimp OS, Cracker OS, Neon OS, not a bad idea. Who was it? Fishy OS. Oh my god, Crackers OS. Greater Warrior OS. Hey! Jake Paul OS. Cray OS. Fiction OS? Nah. Bland OS? Oh my god. He's insulting my OS. Neon OS is not a bad idea. Neon OS. Living Nightmare OS? Oh my god. Cosmos? Oh my god. OS, Java OS, Nebula OS. You guys are coming in hot with the suggestions. So can we actually save this? Let's have a look. Test website. Does that actually work? Hold up. Oh, that's sick. That's cool. Coffee OS. Not a bad idea, actually. Coffee OS. I'm all about that coffee life. Why is there an ant on my screen? Get up there. That's right. You go, die-dies. Coffee Cat OS. Detailed Fridge OS. Name GitWeb Google Chrome Loser Edition. Oh my god. It ain't a lose. You're just insulting what we're working on. It's my epic website haters gonna hate, mate. Oh yeah, this is something that's changed, guys. This download module, I kind of rethemed it and made it look cool. So now we've got like a download button. Got an image. We got an image of the actual file that it opens with. This one here would be actual the title of the file. Nothing OS, Infinity OS, Nacho OS, Nacho OS. I don't know OS. I'm having ear surgery Tuesday. Dang, dude. Next week. It's already past Tuesday. Alright, so that's cool. So we added in a header module that can be crossed off now. Oh no, we haven't tested out the scale. Scale equals 2. What up, pimps? Number 3. What up, pimps? 4. What up, pimps? Get good. Get good at GitWeb. Oh my god. Get good at GitWeb. Can't even read it. Let me know if you can read that. Yeet OS. Yeet. Null OS. Piggle OS. Web OS. It's not a web app though. YouTube OS. Supernova OS. What the heck? It's a convention. On the YouTube app, YouTube thought it was okay to restrict the stream. What do you mean? Like not telling everybody about it? Because I understand your pain. Get good at GitWeb. So that's pretty cool. Let's see what happens. Apparently... Okay, no, it didn't automatically save. Rest in pepperonis. One cheese and crackers equals good luck to my surgery. Here you go. Good luck, dude. Good luck. I sent you some crackers and cheese. Linux Minecraft edition. Hi, what's up, Aaron Gamer? And if you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you remember to go ahead and snap that like button right in half. And if you guys want to get a shout out as well, make sure you go over to my Twitter, link in the description below, and retweet the latest tweet. So many of you guys have done it, and I appreciate all of you guys. But if you want to get a shout out, always go over to my Twitter, retweet the latest tweet, and I'll be shouting your name out at the end of this live stream. Alright, so scale component is working as it should, so I'm pretty happy with that. Let's go ahead, let's go to our thing here. Holy shoot. What did we do? What did we do? That was like a... Oh. We'll just include that in it. I'm gonna say changed module generate signature. Here we're gonna say added header module. No, I don't know if that's... Go to hello.web. Minecraft dude, let's stop committing random stuff to the repository. Will there be a cheese hype today? You haven't done it in a while. Maybe. We might do a cheese hype today. Do you guys want to see a cheese hype happen in this live stream today? Do you guys want to see a cheese hype happen in this live stream today? Let me know right now. Yee. You make me feel proud and special. Cheers. Only one person sent him cheese and crackers. One cheese and crackers in the chat right now, guys, equals one prayer for Think Lab Minions ear surgery. Alright, there we go. We should have some people coming in now. Alright, so next module. So we got header. Oh yeah, we're going to create a divider module. Like a simple divider module that does literally nothing. I know, sounds exciting, but it might be useful. Divider module. Extends. Module. Well, maybe we'd call it size. How do size? Then calculate height is going to be math.max 0 data dot the integer parse int data dot get size. Where is the cracker emoji? I'm hoping like one of these websites don't allow to crash people's game. We might have to look into that. When is the 100th device mod development? Soon. 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 Trademark. Y'all didn't post cheese and crackers. Where's my sponsors at? Alright, so that's literally all we have to do. Believe it or not, that's all we have to do, guys. We don't have to generate anything. We just need a blank layout and that's it. Let's get rid of that. They will not divide us. Late. What's that, Ocelot? Is there going to be a special guest in the 100th device mod stream? Yeah. There's going to be a guest. I finally made an entity saver for the game. What do you mean by that? Only took 2 hours. Each entity has an ID, yeah. The ID is saved and indexed to a file, yeah. Each file contains an entity's data, yeah. The index is used to identify the file and load the data, yeah. Alright, let's test this out. There we go, I think that worked. Definitely did work. $30. 1,000. There it is. That's pretty cool. Add a divider. Add a divider module. It will only save every 5 characters now. Oh, okay. Is that what you want to talk about? Commits? Yes. Straight up, it's about commits and a bunch of stuff, and it's not that, but it's also the future of GitWeb and what I feel like needs changing. What do you like about your furniture mod? I don't know. It's my furniture mod I like, my own furniture mod. Alright, what should we do next, guys? So we have a nav module, footer module, slide tray module, text area syntax highlighting module. I don't know. What do you guys think we should do? Furnace module? Nav? I feel like the nav would be good. The nav module. Animate sprite module. I agree for furnace. I really want to change. You said it auto saves every 5 characters. 1, 2, 5. But like, this is a file I opened and it's not. Yeah, okay, we have an issue. The file I opened doesn't recognize as the current project. So, we'll say test website. Override it. Let's have a look now. Technically it should have saved. Close it off. Load it up. Okay, it did. Yeah, the problem is when you're loading it up, you're not putting that file as the current project file, so from like, yeah. Oh yeah, I'll fix that. Yeah. Every module in existence. We need it. You spelt coloring wrong? What do you mean? It's not wrong. It is if you're British English or UK English. It's not wrong if you're US English. It's funny how people... Yeah, I mean, Australian English is basically UK English. I don't think there's really a difference. The only thing would be speaking. Like, we don't speak like the UK, but spelling wise, exactly the same. Why is that return? Why is that return there? Splitting. It tries to split this and it returns. Yeah, okay. You're not firing me, right? No, I'm not. Hey, is it normal that Crayfish, Mr. Crayfish website Maven is down? It's not down. It ain't down. You just can't access the Maven portion of the website. You can't access it through a normal browser. It's not an accessible part of my website. Thank Notch. Alright, so that's cool. Next module, nav module. Now, how do I want to do this? Because there are some interesting things, like... So let's just start creating a navigation module. Extends. Whoops. Module. Like, let's say I want to, you know, add buttons, right? What do I actually call those buttons? In terms of, you know, here, do I say button 1, button 2, button 3, button 4? I think it should be like that, but the thing is, like, depending on the text. Oh. I know why that is wrong. This X and Y position ain't right. Hold up, mind you, scrollable layout. Where do we actually call that? We do actually update the components. Okay, we'll have to look into that. Because apparently line index is -1. So I think that's wrong. Divided by 10. How am I rendering it? I know I'm doing 10. Plus padding. Am I considering padding? No, I'm not. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. I ain't considering the padding! What was this live stream for? Developing GitWeb development. Are you going to bring on some new merch onto your site, Mr. Crayfish? I don't know. GG, mate. .320 resolution on his live stream video. There ain't no 320 resolution. You're legit tripping. Yo, tripping. We've been like live streaming for like almost an hour now. Almost an hour now. 1 hour hype. We need some 1 hour hype. Oh, export site. There's no, oh no, load here. That's just system out, click the word. We actually didn't consider the padding on here as well. Okay, that's cool. Cool. Let me just go ahead and what I'm gonna do. Add a hashtag divider. Size equals 100. Need something that I can scroll. Okay, cool. Works, works, works. What is a module? It's a component on a website. So like this is a module here. This is a module here. And you can add like multiple modules. So, you know, I could do another one of these. Could do another header. I could be like, let's say this one, right? Scale equals 2. Here we'll just have text. It'll be like about Can I spell? So you could have something like this. Welcome to the Minecraft Wiki. What up, pips? Save. Test website. What if I grow stronger? You won't though. Can you please tell me why when I try to import the obfuscate lib on my project it could say could not find compile for arguments from blah 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 blah. Because you're importing it wrong? Could not find method compile. Where are you even putting it inside of your build? Is this a series? Kind of. GitWeb related only. So this is what you can do with GitWeb. So let's try it out. So you can do new website. Oopsie, let's go load up something. Let's load up our test website. Some cool stuff that we can do with this right now. You know what, we need like line numbers. I should probably implement that in, hey. Line numbers. That'd be a cool feature to have. Line numbers. It's data. Data equals, we can say that. I'll say file data, file app equals CDM note stash. Let's change that to title. Hello. Wow, dude. What else do we need for that download module? I think that's it, but there is like file name that you can do. File name equals best in important note. What else can we do? I think that's it. Oh, there's text, oopsie. You. And it's text because you must download. I think that's it. So yeah, that's what you can do with that. Important note! You must download. We ain't coding in JSON. So I could download that important note. Maybe like, yo, what's this? Hello. Wow, dude. If you don't do the 100th device on stream, Herobrine will kidnap young Greg and Sir Piggles. Where is Sir Piggles? I do not know where Sir Piggles is. Save that. So that's download module. What haven't we put yet? Yeah, we haven't put a banner module in yet. Banner image equals. Let's see if we can find something. Does this work? Looks like it'll work. Hey my lord. Best banner, 10 out of 10 dudes. What up, pimps? Please make a virus? Jeez, dude. You alright? You alright? Oh, the heck? GitWeb frame doesn't go all the way to the bottom. Master Chief, get onto this. There's a pixel gap at the bottom there. Oh, it looks so bad now. There's a pixel gap. What the heck? Wow. There's a freaking pixel gap at the bottom. Alright, so let's just see what we've changed around here. Get rid of that. Fixed. I had one job. One job to fix one pixel. One job, my dude. Make a desktop, or Herobrine will hack you and steal young Greg. No, he won't. Someone submitted a PR. Eek. Ah. What the heck? 50 jobs and you failed all of them, no excuses. Karma's gonna get you, Master Chief. Karma is gonna get you. So how should we do this? Because like we don't have Because we could create like some sort of a map function. If sent you a small fixture. If you want, it's fine. I'm not going to school, just gonna watch some Cray. Oh my god, dude. You are savage as heck. Holy shoot. Ah. There we go. Let's have a look. A module? That's not a bad idea. We need to have a GitWeb frame module. So I can have GitWeb inside of GitWeb. Should I just do it for the lols? I don't think it will work properly though. No, make a video module. Hashtag yawn. You're kidding me, right? You know, I went to the fridge 2 minutes ago. Not too long ago. Just a couple of minutes ago, right? And I found some beef. Well, I ate that too. I ate that too. You know that maple flavored bacon? The maple kind? Yeah, the maple kind. Well, I cooked that up and I ate it. Yeah? You're kidding me, right? You're kidding me. Nope. It's the funniest video. You're kidding me, right? Nope. Well, I went to the fridge, not just a couple of minutes ago. And I cooked up this juicy burger. You know what I did next? And I covered it with cat treats and gave it to the cat. And covered it in cat treats. Oh my god. What module am I working on? Navigation module. Now, I don't know how I want to do the design of this. Because we could do something like... kind of like the crafting module. What we did is we created this kind of array here. And then just did slot. Tested for a key called slot. So we could do something like navigation module. We want like a list of buttons. List of buttons. Nav buttons equals new array list of buttons. You're kidding me, right? Nope. So you can't sleep? What? So we'll do like nav buttons, right? And then we're gonna do like for... I don't know, like... The problem is that... How do we limit the navigation? Right? Because... Think about it, alright? For instance... I wish I could show you easier. What we're gonna do is copy, paint, right? So let's make sure you guys can see this. So this is GitWeb here. For instance, let's go ahead. Everything is completely different on this, so it's weird for me to use this program. But like, for instance, we're gonna have like, you know, there could be a button here, right? There could be a button here at a different width. There could be a button here at that width, depending on, it depends how much text is in there. And a button here, button there. But imagine there's another button. What's gonna happen? What's gonna happen to that button? I guess we can put it onto the next line. Which makes sense. I guess that could be up to the actual creator to do that. Yeah, that works. Alright, cool. I was just confused on how we're gonna do it all. Hi, I'm so late, it's been a while. Techie, oh my god. 10 billion years later. Alright, so... But the thing is, like, how do we... We can't dynamically have as many navigation buttons as you want. I mean, we could limit it to 10, so I could say in I equals 0, I is less than 10, I plus plus. We could limit it to 10. Why is your teacher texting you? That's a bit weird. Somebody called Green Teletubby followed me. You guys follow me on Instagrams? You guys follow me on Instagrams? Can you make it so we can make our own modules? I give you cheese and crackers. The problem is if you make your own modules, then if you load up a website that doesn't support it, then, you know, it kind of doesn't work. So what I want to do is just be like, if data dot contains key what are we going to call this? Item link. Go no. Say button. I'll create a private void button, create button. We'll say map data index. Whoops. Get good at Java, crayfish. I'm gonna have to log off for the night in an hour. Well, I'll be finished in less than an hour. Create button. So we're gonna say button equals new button. 0, 0. And then we're going to do data.get or default item label 1 item label, sorry, index, otherwise link. Say if data.contains key then we'll say icons icon from what's the method? There's like a value of data get a default I know, we'll just say get. What does that do? Returns the enum. Returns illegal argument exception. Oh. Interesting. Button.set icon if data dot contains key item nothing module does nothing. That is called the divider. Space module already done it. It's called a divider. I'm one step ahead of everybody. I'm one step ahead of everybody right now. Okay, say button dot set. Oh. We gotta do that. Wasn't GitWeb frame taking an application? Yeah, it does. Alright, we'll have to fix that up. We're gonna say as I can almost see it. I'm gonna say GitWeb frame. Where my error's at. Say frame.get. Oops. We need to actually have a way to get the app. Divider unable module then. A divider. It just divides things and you can set the size. Look. Looky looky. File browser, test website. Let's put a divider. So this is what it looks like right now. What we'll do is we'll add a divider in between this here and the download module. Hashtag divider size equals 20. And there you go. You've just added an extra 20 pixels between those two modules there. Pretty easy if you ask me. And where did my image go? Where's my image? There it is. Beautiful. Say this. There we go. And then now we can actually do this right, and then we can say, oh, I thought that was like set click listener, new click listener. Let's say if mouse button equals 0. We can say frame dot load load website. We're restricting it. Item link. Oopsie, sorry. Data.get. We can just do this actually. Time for cheese hype. Should we do a cheese hype, guys, right now? Who's in it? Who's gonna be in? Who's gonna be in for the cheese hype? Who's gonna be in for the cheese hype? Return button. Glad I created that thing. We're gonna do nav buttons dot add create button. This data. Whoopsie, not this frame. Alright, so now we've done that, basically what we need to do is then reposition everything. So everybody's in for a cheese hype. So if you guys have never heard of cheese hype before, maybe you're new around here or something like that, all you have to simply do is type in hashtag cheese hype into the chat and then post a bunch of cheese emojis along with it. So you can find cheese emojis in the emoji list. And if you're a sponsor, make sure you utilize the actual custom emojis that I've provided you, so you'll be able to find a custom cracker emoji and a custom cheese emoji. So make sure you use them if you are a sponsor. But let's go ahead. Let's do a cheese hype here. In 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype! Boom! I don't have any cheese. I should really have some cheese for cheese hypes. But cheese hype right now, I'm going to go ahead and contribute as well. I'm going to go ahead and contribute. Oh my god, the Teletubby cheese hype. Oh my god. Demonetized. Spot the difference. Demonetized symbol and the cracker one. Oh my god. Yeet! Damn god, it's so easy to add vehicles on your awesome vehicle mod. Thank you for creating this awesome mod. Yeah, no, I basically made an easy system. It is an easy system. Alrighty, so now we've created the nav buttons. We basically have to align them now. So we're going to do something like, okay, we're gonna have like an integer remaining width equals width take 10. Then I'm gonna say for nav buttons dot for each. What happens if the width is too big? We could do like row count. We'll say row count equals 0, right? We'll say if remaining width is less than button.getWidth, and then we can say remaining width is less than button.getWidth if row count equals 0. If row count equals 0, then we'll go ahead and current. So we need to do current row. We'll say layout dot. We're gonna do, let's see, button dot left equals 5. I might be able to get away with it. Button left equals 5. dot top equals my mum just got home and I just missed a cheese hype. Haunted corpse! What the heck? I'm disappointed, dude. Disappointed. Spot the difference between a cracker and the demonetized symbol. No one can guess. Never say heckin' or you get demonetized. Top. So top is gonna be... maybe we'll say padding is like 2. We'll say 6. Maybe padding like 3. Top will be 3 plus row count. What's the default button height? Height equals 16. Does that change at any point? Oh. Icon size. What size are icons? It's API app. Icon size equals 10. Okay. Okay, so we'll say the size is 16 row count times 16 plus row count plus row count times 3 plus 3. I think that's what it's going to be. We should do this in order, so 3 padding, that should work, and then we say layout dot whoops add button. Here we say if row count equals 0, else we I'll say current row plus plus. Ah, dang it. I'm gonna do this way, nav buttons dot size. Because then we get access to like continue and whatnot. But you will see when you have time, but I found a bug in your vehicle mod. When you sneak and spam the vehicle, it crashes after 10 minutes. 10 times? I'll look into it. Probably something to do with sound. Something to do with sound. Never say heckin'. Mum is better than cheese. What? We'll say row count equals 0. Row count plus plus. Whoopsie, that's like completely wrong. Int row offset plus row offset plus 3. Then we'll say row after this row offset plus equals button dot get width. Remaining, oopsie, sorry. Remaining width take equals button dot get width. We should really be doing like row offset should technically be like, let me think, it would be like row offset would be the width take remaining width. We don't even have to specify it. So excited to have Sir Pickle, young Greg and Sir Pickles. Best emojis ever. Spam. They may got us a lot. Chill. Chill. Current row. Oopsie. So if row count current row count I need to fix up remaining width. Remaining width equals width take 6. Thing is, we're duplicating code here now, so I want to avoid that. So what's being duplicated is this, so I can put that down here. So what's running anyway? So we're doing this here. So it'd be like that. Instead, that's the equivalent. That's the equivalent, otherwise we're doing exactly the same. I'm pretty sure we're doing exactly the same. That's interesting, and then this literally can be like get rid of that. I think that will work. I mean, only way we can figure out is if we actually give it a shot. The thing is we have to calculate the height. We have to reduce this code more because I need to be able to do this. What do we need to do here? Yeah, it's kind of a custom implementation. This could be reduced. Private list buttons. Create nav. We need access to the frame too. So that can be culled back to this. Don't even know if that was the correct word. Cull it. And cull a bit of it. Holy shoot! Who spammed? Oh. Hey, what up, Drink Tea? If you guys, again, want to get a shout out, make sure you go over to my Twitter, link in the description below, and be shouting out your name. Minecraft Dude, are you still here? So here we need to do this. Let's go. Nullable. Airframe doesn't equal to null. I don't want to actually generate the click listener really. I just want the buttons. Then we want something like this, except we're not doing any sort of layout. We just want the row count. What are the current row? This should be, whoopsie. This should be like row item count. Whoops. And then this will be like current row times 16 plus current row type current row plus 1 times 3. Alright, there we go. Think that'll work. Testing out time, guys. Who's praying for me right now? Who's praying for me right now? We don't even know if this is gonna work or not. So pray for Cray. Pray for Cray. I'll be surprised if this works first shot. And if it does, you guys are gonna send me $1 billion. Pretty fair deal. Money. I love your mod developing, Mr. Crayfish. Thanks, Drink Tea. I didn't see a comment there. Alright, let's add a navigation. Hashtag navigation. If I can spell it. Item link 1. Yeah, this is the thing, it's very difficult. Let's say welcome.official item link item label 1 home. Is it actual like home? Where is it? Shop. Oh, it is called home. Home. Ah! Where even is it? It's correctly doing it, but am I adding it? It's definitely adding it. What have you done so far with GitWeb? This. Have a look at it. This is the creational power of GitWeb. Might be the builder. Nah, it won't be the builder because like this just supports literally. It's not the builder, trust me, it's not the builder. Let's go ahead, let's remove the banner. Rest in peace banner. It was a beautiful banner. It's not even like adding it. Three. Apparently create navigation buttons. I'm just calculating something wrong. Oh, current row. Oh, whoopsie. I think we'll do supposed to do plus 16. Yeah, it kind of worked. I'm gonna say button dot set size dot get width 16. Make it explicit. Live. Hey, that's pretty cool. We could make it 18. Might look a little bit better. Just means we're gonna adjust a bunch of things. Like a lot of things. Didn't realize how many things it was. Oops. Keep forgetting I don't even have to. There you go. Home button. Why is it so far over? I think it's something to do with here. Okay, we don't even have to do that, by the way. Not for the calculating the height. Alright, that's better. That's pretty cool. We should have like a colored background, I feels. What happens if we go like layout.set background, new background, GUI.draw rect, x, y, x plus width 1. Actually worked. Ah. We see the problem. I now see the light. +3. Yeah, that'd be fine, I think. Hey, that's pretty good. Of course it breaks. Oh. Why did that break? Because frame... maybe it's something to do with here. Yeah, that doesn't work. Yeah, I did that wrong. Yeah, I did that wrong. It should be saying set the pending website. Yeah, set the pending website. Load website. Don't know why I didn't do that.
There's a distance between us. It's getting hard to reach out. Haven't seen you in seasons.
You're the best code I've ever seen. Oh my god. Am I the only coder you've seen?
I've been counting minutes for quite some time now, just to see you again. And I've been counting
BRB.
to get away, to see you again. Been fighting ways.
What I want to do is like
We got millions of reasons.
alright, so say that.
Hope we're not too broken. I know I'm not always
Because the problem is we have like, yeah, concurrent modification exceptions, because we click on that button, right, and then behind the scenes it tries to get rid of that button before we've even finished actually calling the button there, so we have to basically do it the next tick. Now I don't like my code. Oh well. It's fine. Wasn't there a handle unload? Thought I had that in here. Load Git website. Whatever, still works. Still works. Only thing is maybe in there as well, we've got to do like here. Load URL. Chemistry homework and this $100 chemistry book isn't helping me at all. Yeah, I don't believe in textbooks suck. Ah! Out of bounds exception. I wasn't even clicking on text. Wasn't even clicking on text. What the heck? That scream just blew my eardrums. I might have to end off soon because I gotta have a quick call. And I get some lunch. Get some luncheon. Hope you're ready for a mouth-watering luncheon. Steamed clams? No! I said steamed hams. It's a regional dialect. What region? Upstate New York? I hope you're ready for an unforgettable luncheon. I think that needs to be like... What the heck? We aren't clicking on anything. We ain't clicking on text. Alright, hold up. I'll have to fix that later on. Right. Scanner! Oh, superintendent. I was just stretching my calves on the windowsill. Care to join me? Why does there smoke come out of your oven? That's not smoke, that's steamed. For the steamed clams we're having. Let's get rid of half of these texts. Don't know what's going on here with it, but it's glitching out. Found a bug with text error. We're finding bugs everywhere now. Oh my god. I can't wait. Oh, we've got apparently a bug here. How is there a bug there? Let's go on previous line, cursor Y, move cursor left. Lines. Remove cursor +1. Is that supposed to be right? Or was that -1? Dude, so many bugs are happening. I don't want to touch text area. So complicated. Whoa, that's weird. Okay, I see the issue. Why is that doing that? I see the issue now, but why is that doing that? Huh. That's very weird. Anyway. We're back here. Uh-oh. We're all good. That's a header. What the heckin'? Oh. Whoopsie. Oh no, whoopsie. Old websites. Nah. Nah. Old websites. Nah. Yes. That's what I like. What up, pips? Let's go ahead and restore our banner. I want my banner back. Hashtag banner. Get this man his banner back. I need that link. Where is it? Images. Memes. Ah, look at this. This beautiful website we're designing. Wow. I guess not many people like seeing him code. I think it's interesting. Yeah, that's how it goes. 15 viewers here, and then I can go over to my main channel, post a video about the device mod. Well, not like it used to, but anyway. Wow. So yeah, this is the state of GitWeb. It's pretty good so far. Now, we didn't actually test adding in like more stuff. The thing is, I can't add things real quickly because I'm slow. I think it's called shop. Yes. Oops. Navigation module. Left equals row item count times 3. We need to take 3 off. take 3 off if the store. They could also have no icon. We could also have no text. Ah! I don't want that actually. Hope you're ready for an unforgettable luncheon. Let's do blank. Hope you're ready for an unforgettable lunch. We have a slight issue. Set icon, update size. Width plus equals 3. We'll say is that one? Oh, that's actually called get. So if we say string since when does it padding? Okay, regardless if it sets the padding, right? Okay, it's something to do with width. Pad equals 5. Ah, I see the problem. So I was keeping that padding of 5. Yeah, okay. It's not a button issue, it's a... It's called my navigation module and setting the size here. Get width. Take 2. Now it's not centering properly. Why is that +3? Shouldn't that be like padding or something? Context X is width, take content width. I will never know. I will never know the answer, my dudes. My coding is bogus. My coding is bogus. Right now. What is up, Cray? What's up, Jacoby? How you doing, dude? We could say like... We could say like button. Like this. Null. And say if data dot contains well, let's do maybe like do this. We can do text. if the set text method, set size, set text, still it doesn't matter because we do like the update width. Maybe we can go like, is there a way to do this? Button.get text. Let's say is that going to be null at any point, or is that always somewhat set? And button.get text. Otherwise, call it 18 by 18. Still doesn't want to render in the center. I think that's an issue with. Okay, it should be calling that one, and it is. We have just a rendering issue with stuffs. Because we don't consider what's the actual X position. So that's return 0. Because it just gives us the center position, which should be, I don't know, it's weird. Padding. Yeah, we don't know. We're gonna have to. It's kind of just an issue with buttons and that type of stuff, but you know, it kind of works still. But anyway, that's going to end off this live stream today, guys. Thank you guys for coming along. It's been an awesome live stream. I'm going to go ahead and do some Twitter shout-outs right now. So we're going to shout out to Matthew Hogan, Duncan. Let's go ahead and actually get everybody else up here. J-Splat, Ocelot, Minecraft Dude, The Master Chief, Zahn, Scatterstrike Studios, Loading Vegas Pro, to edit. Jackson Plays, 44TNT, Egg TV, Donovan Wood, and Connect Keyboard and Haunted Corpse. Cheers, guys, for the support there over on Twitter. If you guys want to get a shout out next time, make sure you retweet over on Twitter, because that's the only place that I will give you guys shout outs. But thank you guys for coming along. Epic progress happening on GitWeb. So yeah, I've discovered a bunch of bugs as well, which is interesting. So that's cool. But thank you guys for coming along. See you guys later. Peace out. I gotta go get lunch. Minecraft Dude, if you're here, let me know.